Here's another song for y'all. Book of Juice.
I hear you taking the town again, having a good time with all your good time friends. I don't think that you think of me. You're on your own now, and I'm alone and free. I know that I should get on with my life, but a life lived without you can never be right. As long as the star shines down from the heavens, long as the rivers run to the sea, I'll never get over getting over me. I try to smile some more words won't show. Tell everybody I was glad to see you go, but the tears won't just go away. Loneliness found me. Looks like we're here to stay. I know that I ought to find someone new, but all I've found is myself, always thinking of you. As long as the stars shine down from the heavens, long as the rivers run to the sea, I'll never get over getting over me. Oh, no matter what I do, it's just a lifetime to live through. I can't go on like this. I need your touch. You're the only one I've ever loved. And as long as the stars shine down from the heavens, long as the rivers run to the sea, I'll never get over you getting over me. I'll never get over you getting over, never get over you getting over. I'll never get over you getting over me.
Thank you, Susano. Ate Vadas, thank you so much. Wow. Oh my.